Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about the objective questions and answers of the prose, 10th class prose at the high school, written by
M.K. Gandhi.
M.K. Gandhi. So, in the prose, we came to know Gandhiji's bitter experience, sweet and bitter experience, both. In the lesson at the high school, we came to know the sweet and bitter experiences of Gandhi at his high school career. Now we will have question and answer discussion. The first question for you is, what is a biography? What is an autobiography? So let's first discuss what is a biography.
A biography is the life of the person written by someone else.
Okay, a biography is a life story. It is a life story written by someone else. Right? Now let's have what is an autobiography.
An autobiography is an account of a person's life written by that person.
Right. An autobiography is also a life story, but it is written by the person himself. Biography is a life story that is written by somebody else, but an autobiography is a life story written by the person himself. So, is this lesson, question number 2, is this lesson a biography or an autobiography?
This lesson is an autobiography.
Right, this lesson is an autobiography, and we are asked to support your answer with the reason. The reasons were that the lesson begins with subject I, right? And here Mahatma Gandhi himself writes his bitter and sweet memories at the high school. Okay, from this account we can say that it is an autobiography. Next, question number 3. Was Gandhi good at studies? How will you support your answer?
Yes, because he always enjoyed the affection of his teachers.
Yes, Gandhi was good at studies. We can prove it from his account that he won prizes. He won prizes at and scholarships. And he enjoyed the love and affection of his teachers. From these things, we are sure that Gandhi was good at studies. Next question, question number 4. Did his teacher like him?
Yes, his teacher liked him.
Right, his teacher liked him. Next question is, what sorts of certificates were sent to his parents?
Certificates of progress and character were sent to his parents.
Right, certificates of progress and character were sent to his parents. Next question, question number 6. When did he win prizes?
He won the prizes after he passed out of the second standard.
Yes, he won prizes after he passed out of second standard. Now let's have a question number 7, and question number 7 is like this. Which standards did he get scholarships in?
He got scholarships in the 5th and 6th standard.
Right, he got scholarships in 5th and 6th standard. Okay, next question. Question number 8. What were the amounts of his scholarships?
The amounts of scholarship were 4 and 10 in the 5th and 6th standard
Respectively, right. That is respectively. Next, what were the amounts of his scholarships? We discussed it. Next question is, who did he thank more for his scholarships? Himself or his good luck?
He thanked his good luck more for his scholarship.
Right. He thanked more for his scholarships. He thanked what his good luck more for his scholarships. What do you know about Gandhi as a person?
Gandhi was a good person.
Gandhi was a good person. Question number 10. So we discussed 10 questions. Now we will move to the next question. That is question number what? 11. Okay. Wait, just 1 minute. Yes, this is question number 11. And the question number 11 is, what was he very much careful about? What? Question number 11. What was he very much careful about?
He was very much careful about his character.
That is not carefully, that is careful. Okay? So, he was very much careful about his character. Right? Careful about what?
Character.
Character, right. Next question is 12. How did he react when blamed?
When blamed, it drew tears in his eyes.
Yes, when blamed, he cried piteously. Tears rolled down his cheeks. Next question is 13, right? Question number 13. What was more important for Gandhi, winning prizes or character?
Building character was more important for Gandhi.
Yes, building character was more important for Gandhi. Next question. Why did he get physical punishment?
He got physically punishment because he had committed any mistake.
Yes, he got. Why did he got physical punishment when he made a mistake? Okay.